The Buildup Brush in Surface Mode is essentially a variation of the clay brush with one lone exception. That is the ability to click and drag while still holding and passing over the same area. It will continue to build up indefinitely. Whereas if you use other brushes, let's say for example the clay brush without buildup checked, then when you click and drag and pass over the same area, it will be limited to the depth value you have set here in the toolbar. With the buildup option checked, it's much like using the buildup brush. The Buildup Brush just makes this functionality quickly available as a separate brush within the tool panel. As shown in the clay brush video, it's a good idea to enable the Remove Stretching option in the toolbar to mitigate any polygonal stretching that might occur. And that's going to conclude this quick look at the Buildup Brush.